Welcome! Today I am with Kia Sportage and I will show you how we can turn on the front fog lights. First, we have to put our key into the ignition switch, just like that. Next we have to switch it 2 times, first and the second. There we got the all notification lights. Next we have to go for this knob right here. We have to put it on this position and then just simply use this switcher like that and press it to the upper section. And there we get a notification that the front fog lights are turned on. So, if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.